African barbecue. Are you feeling it?
I'm feeling it.
Hi guys, my name is Ibrahim Rashid, and today I'm having Zann. I'm taking him to a trip in Kibera.
I met Rashid on Instagram. He is a phenomenal photographer. We've been Instagram friends for what?
Almost a year.
A year now. Yeah, it's crazy. And we're finally getting to meet in person. Rashid just brought me to the railways, which is the place you catch the local bus. The
Matatu.
Yeah. Okay, Matatu. So he is taking me today to Kibera.
Kibera, or Kibera, as I later found out that the people who actually live there pronounce it, is said to be the largest slum in Africa. The official estimated population is quoted to be around 250,000, but it is argued to be closer to 1 million. We met up with Sam, who is Rashid's friend and lives in Kibera. When I came to Kibera, the last thing I expected to be doing was eating my way through the slum. But somehow we ended up stopping at several food vendors and I tried a lot of the popular foods. In fact, at the end, you'll see that I tried what is considered to be Kenya's national dish and I learned the proper way to eat it. This is something that anyone who's going to travel to Kenya needs to know.
Hello, Jumbo.
The first stop on what I'm now going to refer to this as the food tour, Rashid buys a bunch of school kids some samosas. This woman is selling mahindi choma, which is also known as either grilled corn or grilled maize. You will see people eating and selling grilled corn all over Kenya. Sprinkle a little salt over it and you're good to go. You basically bite off the roasted, hardened little kernels to eat it. I have to say that Kibera really felt like it was its own town. There are all kinds of businesses like clothing shops, tailor shops, printing shops, and even a hotel. In fact, along the way, I met a group of extremely bright and talented artists who have their own business called Art Sun Valley, where they make and sell art. And I'll talk about that in another video. As I was saying before, Kibera is huge. It expands over 1.5 miles or 2.5 kilometers. There are these famous train tracks that run straight through Kibera. The train transports people twice a day, morning and late afternoon, to and from the center of Nairobi.
Ah, oh, that's the fried ones.
Yeah. Can you try one?
Try one? Yes. Sure. A small? Small. All right, I'm gonna try some of the fish.
Welcome. Lilian Chukwado.
Asante.
Ambia chukue pesa. Ambia patia Lilian pesa.
Asante sana.
He was saying that.
Oh, you just say yeah. Just taste it and try. It's very hot.
Hot, steamy. Can you see the steam?
Yes.
Very good.
Fish here.
Yeah. It's nice. Jambo. Asante. Many people doing one head. Yeah. You work together.
We like each other. We are also saving on time.
They're telling me I need to try Mutura. And what is it? Tell me. African sausage.
Yeah, minced meat. Minced meat with intestine of cow.
Intestines of cow.
Intestine.
Cow intestines.
Cow
minced
intestine
meat.
with minced meat. So
Okay.
it's called mutura.
Mutura.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are eating mutura.
Okay. Woo!
So it's mutura, like it's being like.
Yeah, this is mutura. Barbecue, like barbecue. It's called barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yeah, this is a barbecue. African barbecue.
Okay,
Yeah.
African barbecue.
This is African barbecue.
Oh, you put tomato on it too.
Okay. Have you seen?
I have not seen.
Can you taste? Just
Yes,
taste,
I will
just
taste. Yes, I will taste.
Intestine, cow's intestine. Inaitwa matumbo.
Okay.
Sema matumbo.
Soma matungo.
Sema matumbo.
Sema matungo.
Yeah. This is matumbo.
Okay.
Matumbo na waru. Sema matumbo na waru.
It's good.
Are you feeling it?
I'm feeling it.
You are feeling it?
How do you say delicious? How do you say?
Sema tamu.
Sema tamu.
Sema ni tamu.
Sema ni tamu.
If you want to say something is sweet, you say ni tamu. Tamu sana.
Ni tamu sana. Okay.
In Kiswahili.
Okay. Tamu sana.
Ni tamu sana.
So tamu sana means very sweet.
Very sweet. Very good. Okay.
We shall meet again.
It was good. Sasa.
I must confess, but if I can, I'm my objective. They're giving me problems,
I found my favorite treat that I try to find in every country I go to. I absolutely love it. It's some kind of bread with like a fried dough with sugar. And so I finally found it here in Kibera.
It's called mandazi.
Mandazi. Fried bread with sugar. Delicious. What do I say?
Tamu sana.
Tamu sana. Asante.
Yeah.
So good.
How do you call nyama choma?
Fried meat.
Fried meat.
Fried meat.
Yeah.
Nyama choma.
And it was here that I got to try the national dish of Kenya, ugali nyama choma na kachumbari, which is cooked maize meal with grilled meat and a side of tomato salsa. I also learned the correct way to eat it, a valuable lesson for anyone traveling to Kenya.
Super dad.
Yeah, super dad.
I love it.
Okay.
We are about to eat ugali with chicken and nyama choma.
Okay.
Yes, the chicken and kachumbari here. Yeah, you can enjoy your meal and celebrate.
There's a certain way that you eat ugali. So you're gonna show me, right? Huh? Wait. You have a pinch. Okay. Uh-huh. And then you grab the meat.
Just the feeling.
Oh.
Yummy. Tomato, our salsa, you see?
Oh. Oh. All right.
This is how we live in Nairobi.
I love it. Oh, you make a little hole in the Oh, okay. Alright. So I wasn't doing it right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Dogo dogo, isi mchele.
Wow.
Like that.
Try the meat, try the meat.
Yeah, nice.
Nice. That's
Okay,
Kule nyama, kule nyama.
It's sweet. That was fun. That was fun. Yeah. Good. Thank you.